This is a beautiful experience for me, I'll tell you. Hi, hi, hi. Omkara, you got. Yes.
Yeah. It's such a relief that I am back.
Yeah.
And I can see that in your face very clearly
Yeah, of
and very.
course, of course. I'll tell
Yes.
you, it's one of the most beautiful experience for me. I'm just going, roller coaster.
Lovely. Like, even this is my first live that is this many hurdles that I have faced. Like, first we were having technical issues, and later we were having power cut, and then I am having connectivity issues. But yet, I just
Hi,
want to tell this
Kishore.
one thing.
Yeah.
This one thing is that out of these hurdles, we have come up. We are doing it.
Yes.
We didn't drop the plan.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
That
We should
is the
continue
power.
till end. Yeah.
Yes. I heard
It's
that you
going to be
started
a
something. Please
lifelong.
do carry on.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I was telling is Omkara, we do unconsciously, we do so many acts, walking, lifting a glass, or, drinking water and moving our arms and then knees and all. We don't actually we do it every day, every time, but
Yes.
we don't pay attention to it or we don't acknowledge it. Do we?
No.
We don't acknowledge, we don't say like, huh,
Yes.
yeah, I'm lifting I can lift a glass of water, or I can walk, I can talk. We take these all for granted. We just feel okay,
Yes.
yeah, it's normal. But sometimes what happens when we do anything which is above normal, like suppose if you just can jump extra more than what you actually can jump, or can walk more than what you actually can walk, then you start telling, oh, I walked, I did this extra. But the
Yes.
normal things we
Yes.
don't value. So that
True.
is where we should. And as the life goes on, what do we want is very important. What do we want actually as we go on in our life? We want is to walk, we have to be mobile, we should be able to do our natural activities, right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
That's what we want. As we are growing old, do we feel that we want to go and do weightlifting, or we want to do something? It's normal people, I'm just
Yeah.
telling, as a normal person, we would want to do is we would want to walk. Our self-help activity should be done, like walking, talking, moving, lifting, being self-sufficient, that way.
Yes.
But then depends on that, we have to start paying attention to our body and then start acting accordingly.
Yeah.
Actually, I just want to tell is, if you criticize your body, if you don't accept it the way it is and acknowledge it, then, and if you criticize it, definitely the law of action is going to work, and then it's going to show you the negative part of it. Like, suppose I'll just tell you an example of how this I my criticism to my own hair. Like, today my hair is like, okay, like what I like, and I just love it today. But when I
Mm-hmm.
was small, I had this curly hair, and I used to not like it, because the main
Okay.
thing is the influence of the TV. The TV, like, newly the TV had come, and then they used to tell kale lambe ghane bal and plain bal. It was all plain. So it was like,
Yes.
for me, I had curly hair,
Yeah.
and it had so much of impact on me that, hi Bhavna. Okay, so it had so much of impact on me that I used to criticize. I used to think plain hair, long hair only is the good hair. This curly
Hmm.
hair is not good. And I used to tell my mom, why did you give me this curly hair? I don't like this curly hair. I used to criticize it. And what I did was, I used to not oil it. I used to keep it dry, and I showed a lot of criticism towards it. And I used to say, think, the action was, I used to not oil it, or I used to keep it dry, and I used to not comb it properly. And the thoughts were like, I hated it. So, like, I was attracting law of attraction. I was attracting something bad. And what happened after my 10th, my hair fell. Lot of hair
Okay.
fall I had. Yeah, I had a thick hair, and then lot of hair fall I had. With that, what happened was, it was actually working. See, the law of attraction working. I got calcium loss, and then I had my hair fall. And then, even if I wanted my hair back, the law of attraction, I attracted hair fall, right? And that worked on me, and I was like, I was feeling so bad, and nothing could be done. Nothing could be done.
Yes.
Then slowly,
Yes.
slowly, what happened when I realized, I started reading about positivity and all that. Then I started giving attention to my hair. See, if you neglect it and leave it, it's not going to work. You should act on it, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
then I started acting. I started oiling my hair. I started giving more positive thoughts, energy. Through positive thoughts, you give energy to it. That is
Yes.
very important. So I started talking to my hair, I'll tell you. And every day, yeah, every day, it's like, you see in the, sorry, but it's like people like, in the South, they raise the lungi and they put it down for what reason, we don't know. Again, they put it up, again, they throw it down. Again, they forget it. And it's like they
Yes.
do that so much. You don't know why. So it's like, I tie my knot, I open it. I tie my knot, I open it. And I just keeping my running my hand in the hair and I keep saying, I love this hair. I
Okay.
love this hair. And when I started loving my hair, people started coming from the front and telling me, you're looking beautiful, which I used to
Wow.
hate. And now people are coming and noticing and telling, wow, you look so beautiful. So this is a positive effect. I really felt so nice. And that was definitely, I can say you, it is a laddu footing experience for me. In my mind, man mein laddu futa, it's like that for me. Yeah. So I think
Actually,
that's one of the beautiful things. Yeah, tell me.
I just want to add one. People who are listening to this may be thinking that it is completely out of box, and people may not be able to understand. But scientifically, it is proved, and I just want to give all of them a small understanding because you are an expert of self love. You may already know this, but I just want to give it from my side. So
Yeah, yeah,
scientifically, when you are actually made of, body is made of cells. Small,
yes,
each and every organism is made of cells.
yeah, very true.
And once you start loving your own cells, they start to grow. The growth gets multiplied, and that's where if you see like when you are speaking about hair, it requires a specific type of hormones. It's a specific type of enzymes, and those will be
Yeah,
generated when you keep on loving your hair.
yes,
That's what you're saying.
yeah,
And when you keep on loving your nails, like woman who loves nails, it is
yes.
seriously observed and scientifically tested and proved that women and men who love their nails will grow their nails 3 times faster than normal men and women.
Wow.
So that is
Yes.
technically proved. And thank you so much for reminding me. That's an amazing tip. I think I
Yeah.
have to start loving my hair from now.
Yeah, you should love your hair. And
Yes.
actually, I'll tell you one more thing, Omkara. But the time I started loving my hair, you know what happened? The volume started increasing. It started growing long. See, for a woman, at least, for men, of course, the hair is needed, like, but then for a woman, long hair, thick hair actually matters. We want it.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
why. You can hear me, Bhavna?
Uh, I think you need to put a little closer.
Yeah, now?
Yeah, it is clear.
Now?
Yes, it is
Okay?
better now. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I think, if the way you put positive attention to it, energy, that is energy, right? So the more you put
Yes.
your positive energy to it, and it starts showing the results, and then
Yes.
you can reap the benefits, like.
Yes. Absolutely.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And first is criticism, that is how you talk about it. And I'll tell
Mm.
you one more thing is, if you want your body to be perfect and having good health, you cannot take out attention from it. You have
Yes.
to, suppose if there is some pain in your body, you can't tell, okay, fine, I will not pay attention to it, and I will turn my thoughts to something else, I'll put my thoughts to something else. That is
Mm.
again not going to work. See, now suppose if
Okay.
you are having some pain, and like you, okay, fine, not is the internal one, I'll talk about an external thing first. Suppose if you tell that, I don't like this person, you don't
Mm-hmm.
like somebody. Okay, when
Okay.
you say I don't like this person, what do? You don't keep on telling I don't like. It's better, like, you just
Yes.
don't pay attention to him or her, and then you do some other thing. So then you don't
True.
attract that person, right? But
Yeah.
internally, if you're having some pain in your body, if you say I don't want to attract it, or I don't want to pay attention to it, it will not work. That's your body.
Mm.
That is not going to work. Suppose if now I'll tell you one example is, after my delivery, like, my second child was born, I had a lot of pains in my body, and then I every day I used to only think is will there be any day in my life without any pain, was my thought. Every day I
Hmm.
got to suffer this pain, that was my thought. And what happened is, and as the days passed by, I had to live with it. I used to take medicines and come go and all that, because my mind was not, my mindset was different. It was like I kept on telling, will I have any day without pain? I have so much of pain, that way. And then what happened was, then as days passed by, I got a job, and as a teacher, I really enjoyed my job. That is, playing with children, talking, playing, jumping, telling stories and all that. So my attention shifted to children. So when
Hmm.
my attention shifted to children and my job, I forgot about my pains. Okay. So every day it was a nice routine for me. I hardly forgot. Every day morning I used to go beautifully. I just dress up and go, because I'm going to do the best thing what I want to do. Like, playing with
Hmm.
children, being with them. And when holidays used to come, and I still not remember the pain, no pain for me. But when
Yeah.
I got holidays, during holidays, like, I used to feel okay, fine. Today I'm going to rest. But from morning, I used to get pain. That
Hmm.
means, see, I only shifted my attention, but I did not attend to my
Correct.
pain.
Yes.
Okay. So then when I felt, why this pain again, holidays are there and I start getting pain. My
Hmm.
thought was that. And I didn't give attention. Slowly, I realized that when I started working on this law of attraction and all that, then my mind, I thought, yeah, the thing is like, I have kept it as, if it would have been an outer external factor, I would have left it. It would have not come in my life, but it is in
Hmm.
my body. So I attended to it, and the pain used to come up telling me, hello Prashanti, I am there, I'm not gone.
Hmm.
Only your pleasure, the excitement which you have with your children is only more. That is why that is why I am just subsided. I'm there, I'm
Okay.
existing, you have not attended to me. So then
Hmm.
what happened was, when I started attending to it, I realized it, I started giving positive energy towards my the joint pains, especially I had got. So when I started feeling like, I started telling, I can walk properly, I can talk properly, I can use my hands properly, and they are of the best use for me. They're giving me a lot of energy. When I started talking about it positive, then I realized that, it has totally, slowly I found a lot of change. Now I don't have pains. I
Hmm.
don't have, because I have
Wonderful.
attended to
Wonderful.
it. Yeah, I know, it's so
Amazing.
nice.
So actually, I have a question on behalf of all the friends that I have, the women,
Yeah.
especially the woman I mean to say. So this is a little matured conversation to the audience. I just want to give a disclaimer about it. So every
Yeah.
month there is a cycle, the biological cycle that happens to women, the menstrual cycle. So then the
Yeah.
first couple of days, it's going to be hell, and of course, being men, we also cannot handle that emotional swings and all that. So
Yes.
being a man, I want to understand, if I am married, if I like soon I will get married and my spouse is actually suffering with that pain, how can I handle it? How can I talk to her? How can I tell her attend that pain? So do you have any tips to address that?
Yes. See, Omkara, this I learned from you, I'll tell you. Law of attraction, you yourself have told me, any
Yeah.
act or anything that happens in life happens for your good. So take it
Yes.
as, see, the periods are coming for her, or whatever the menstrual cycle is. Even though it is coming, if it is pain for her, she should understand that this is a proof that she is having the periods through which, the monthly, she's getting rid of the bad blood. It is keeping her healthy. And also, this is the reason why you can, we are creators, right? Women, we create
Yes.
next
Powerful.
generation that
Yes.
we give. So this is for
Yes.
what we actually have our periods.
Yes.
If you don't have, you can't. So you can always tell her that it is for that
Wow.
reason that you're having. So now this is nothing temporary. You just have to, you can, like, take, meditate or feel for the good, that this is only for the good.
Hmm.
I learned this from you, Omkara, I'm telling you.
So I just want to add
These
one short
sentences, like,
story,
yeah.
if you, if with your permission, then.
Yeah.
So there is this story is something like, for example, let's take there is a guy.
Yeah.
who actually went for an evening walk, and he's walking on the road, and after taking a couple of steps,
Yeah.
unknowingly and unintentionally, he entered paradise. Paradise is a place where all the wishes comes true.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And he sit under a tree. He's walking, and he walked for a while, and he sat under a tree, and then he started thinking, I am very vexed up, let me take some rest. And he slept under the tree, and he
Yeah.
woke up, and he felt hungry. First he felt thirsty,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then he felt hungry. So he said, like, it would have been good if I have some water and some food.
Yeah.
And everything came to him, and he's like, he happily had it, and he drank the water, he had the food, and then he felt like now he's tummy full. And the next thing he thought is, I think if I can have something to booze, something to enjoy, it would be good. So he got alcohol, everything that he wanted to test in his life, he got it, and he took it into his hands. He had it. Now a little of alcohol inside his brain has diminished or like reduced his wisdom, and he started thinking, "Arey man, everything is coming to my wish. I think there are ghosts around me." And suddenly ghosts started coming around him,
Okay.
and he felt like,
Magic
now
wand.
ghosts are around me, and will they torture me? And they started torturing. And he thought, "Are ghosts are torturing me, will they kill me?" And they killed him. And once we step back the story and see that from a third person's perspective, the tree that he has sat under is the Kalpavruksha.
Okay.
Kalpavruksha
Yeah.
by
Yeah.
name itself is
The
the
giving
wishes
tree.
tree,
Yes.
the
Wishes
giving
tree.
tree.
Yes. Yes. Very
And
true.
every evolved brain is a Kalpavruksha. If your brain
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
evolved, if your brain is conscious, it's a Kalpavruksha. And you
Yeah.
absolutely said the wonderful line that I pretty much will never forget. Like, you reminded me that beautiful thing, that women are the creators, and they
Yes.
were given that proof that you are still having the capability of giving the birth or giving a new
Yes.
generation. That every month God is reminding you the power. And actually many women who are undergoing this pain, they can think that I am having that power to control that pain and give a new generation a new life.
Yeah.
Wonderful line, Prashanti. I loved it. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah. 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 And now you see, I'll tell you something. Many people, if you find to get fit, or they want to reduce their weight, they tell, like, I do all my housework.
Yes.
They do all the housework. I do all the housework. I do a lot of walking and all that. But anything that would do what that you do, even it is yoga or anything like meditation or dancing, anything that is done mindfully, that
Mm-hmm.
mindfulness is very important.
Yes.
Because when we do, most of the people, like, see, now when we get up early in the morning, there are we have all these, every time there are these unwanted what guests for us, like, those thoughts. We
Yes.
don't want them. The
Yes.
previous days, most of the time, the previous days unresolved issues are always waiting in our head. And when this person is awake, it just enters into, and then they start
Yes.
into our head, and then the whole day, it is our whole day goes on with these,
Yes.
it makes our whole day bad with this. What I started doing, the best way is, it is like, for kids, when you see kids, what do they say? Chahiye, the zid act, that is so wonderful they
Yes.
do. We don't like among the children, but at this stage, when we don't want the bad thoughts in our head, so the best
Mm.
thing what we can do is, as soon as we get up, what I do is this: as soon as I get up, I say I am happy. And I don't allow the, as soon as I get up, I inside, like, it's not that I wake up, my eyes are open, but I know I'm
Mm.
conscious now. So then I start, I'm happy. And then if at all I feel some bad thought sneaking into, I say, no, I'm happy. And I just forcibly, it's like I force myself saying I am happy. And the time your body accepts, your mind, and we know that the brain controls our whole body, right? So
Yes.
when we are feeding our with those thoughts that, I'm happy, then the whole day the body feels, yes, this body is very happy. So no thoughts, no pains, nothing, and let it go, happy go lucky type. And your day
Wonderful.
starts only happy, and then it goes on, right? You have felt
Yes.
anything
Yes.
like that?
I
Whenever
have done
you,
a
yeah,
similar thing.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't tell myself I'm happy. I usually wake up and look into the mirror and smile to myself, saying that you are born to make this day count.
Wow. Yeah, I think everybody, I think this is all personal. Everybody
Yes,
can make their own sentence for themselves. You know,
yes,
whatever you
yes.
feel the best, you go for it and then start your day with it. And then it's like once we say, I'm happy until this day is mine to make a difference in someone's life or my life, whatever,
Yes.
whichever sentence suits you, is best for
Yeah.
you can just take that and start making your day, like, make a day of it.
Yes.
So it's like I think we have to one more thing what we can do is, what I also do is whenever I do exercise, see, when
Mm-hmm.
now my main aim is not to become a big sportsman or anything, so I just do normal exercises. And especially the school exercises, you remember how the PT exercises.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that is the best. The whole body is like,
Yes.
you get sweat, and I remember
Especially
the
the
hot.
belly exercise.
Yes, full exercise. That
Yes.
is actually, yeah, the whole body gets warmed up, and then I feel, and then I start. And the best thing what I feel, after doing my exercise, I just sit one place. I take my knees to my chest. I hold it tight. I hug myself, and I tell myself that I'm so happy that I have this wonderful body. When you sit
Wonderful.
and hold yourself, when you feel happy, when you're with your own person, you just go and give a tight hug, and you feel so happy
Wow.
there, right? Is
Yes.
you hug yourself there. You just get your legs together, get to your chest, and then put your hands around, and then tell yourself that I am so happy, or I'm so lucky to have these hands, to have these strong legs, to have this body, to tell. And like, I'll tell you one more thing. When you do all this thing, you should be aware of your all the parts of body. I think many people, we
Yes.
don't see. Suppose you're in a crowd, what does happen, like, when you're in a crowd and somebody calls your name,
Mm.
and a person influential or whoever it is, and they call your
Yeah.
name and then they wave you big hi, how do you feel?
Yeah.
You feel so
Wow.
privileged. Yeah.
Yes.
Same thing, you have to take the name of each part of your body, and
Wow.
acknowledge it. You say, I love. And these all the parts of body, like, they are a part of your body to move you further, to actually to function it, right? If some part of your body is not working, then what happens? It's not
True.
well, you're not well. So take each and every part of your body, say the name of it, and say, I'm so happy having it, and I'm so happy that it is functioning to the fullest. It's
Shall
functioning to
we
the best.
shall we do one activity with all the audience that are listening to this?
Yeah, yeah. I think we both are only talking.
No, no, it's not like that. I love the way that you said I hug myself, and I want
Yes,
every single
I
person
do.
in the comments. I hug myself. Like right now, if you
Yes,
love it, I'm making these codes right now. I hug myself. Make it short into IHM and put it in the
yeah,
comment section below right now. And
yes,
meanwhile,
yes,
we will continue with Prashanti.
yes. Please write IHM. I hug myself. I love myself.
Yes. And
Yes,
it's
we all
literally
are.
like very amazing that you said. Like, I feel like right now, I feel like I want to close my eyes and feel my legs and thank it like anything because
Yes,
without my legs, seriously, I cannot move anywhere. And
yeah,
I took them for granted all these
yes,
days.
yeah.
And my hands, I am
Kishore,
moving
I
so
want you
much,
to
but
put.
I am.
Yeah. Yes, our hands, our legs, and all. Kishore, Roja, I don't, whoever is there online, please do put it. I want you all to put it saying that I hug myself.
IHM.
IHM. If you love yourself, please do it. It's like, अगर आपने बीवी से प्यार करते हो तो प्रेस्टीज लेना पड़ेगा.
Good one.
Emotional blackmail, that is.
Nice one. So Bhavna says IHM, Roja Rani says IHM. So people are
Yes.
keep
Oh,
on posting their
yeah.
comments. Let's let them
Yeah,
come up
yeah,
and we will keep on talking.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is one of the best way I found. And one more thing, what I found is, to keep our body apart from food. Okay, apart from food we require energy, right? So the energy,
Yes.
you see, when children are playing, they go play must in the land, on the land, and there's no restriction
Playgrounds.
for them. They go to the ground, they
Yeah.
play and they enjoy. But after
Yes.
certain time, after certain time, people start wearing, feeling, they start wearing shoes. I mean, they wear shoes from small, but they stop going to the ground, or they stop
Yes.
touching their feet onto the main ground, that is the earth.
True.
Yes, we don't walk on the ground, we are walking in the house, but that
Yes.
is not the earth. That down, down, it is very important to walk on the ground.
Yes.
That is, see,
Wonderful.
we all accept, right, the earth is a magnetic body.
Yes.
Because of
I
that
mean,
we
like
are,
we have no
gravity.
other option to. Yes.
It's a gravity. So once you walk on
Yes.
the, yeah, hey, hi, my Jija is online.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
So when, yeah, and when you walk on the ground, that is the energy you're getting from the earth.
Okay.
Barefoot,
Yes.
you have
Nice.
to
Yeah.
walk. Yes, we have to walk. After certain time, we start detaching ourselves. How back, like when did you, how long, like, how many days have passed you have walked on the ground? Tell me. Thing, socho, socho.
Hardly a couple of
You
months
don't
back. No,
remember.
not even then. Yeah.
Yes, you don't remember when you walked
Yeah.
on the ground barefoot, huh? I'm telling you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, no, I usually drive my bike and then go to office. When before that I have my shoes during, like,
Yes,
no, answer is no. I can't even remember.
yes. So we don't. Ankara,
Yes.
we don't. Most of us, we say it is dirty
Yeah.
because dirty legs. But then that is our earth. We are, after death, we are going there only, right? Not that, because just like that,
Yes.
but we have to be connected to it. It is our earth, and we get
Yes.
lot of energy from earth. I
Mm.
when they say like this, hi Jija, hi Edgar. Like, when we, like, when we go onto the ground and then we walk and we come, we say it's so dirty and we wash our legs very fast,
Mm.
right? But then
Yes.
you see the children, they are so energetic.
Yes.
Yeah, they connect with the earth so much, right?
Yeah.
That is one of the most important thing. So apart from, like, this is one of the, I think, we have to every day walk on the earth for some time. That is one thing. And
Mm-hmm.
if you're doing yoga, dancing, whatever, whichever you feel is very close to you, you can go for
Mm-hmm.
anything. But the main important thing is, like, you should be mindful.
Yes.
Mindful in the
Mindful.
sense, now people will say you have to meditate. Arey, you meditate, but when you sit for meditation, your mind is running here and there.
Yes.
Yeah. So you should keep getting it to you. And what you have to think, many people have the thought that what do we think after meditating? When we are sitting and meditating, what to think? What are the thoughts that have to be running in our head, right?
Mm.
So
Yes.
that, when we think, we should start appreciating our body. I think be mindful of our body, start talking about it, and praising, acknowledging that we have it, and keep on talking about it, and giving the energy to your body.
Mm.
Acknowledging is the most important. Keep on talking that I can talk and these legs are so strong. Now, and
Yes.
there is one more new thing, concept that has come up, which I've read, is walking meditation.
Walking
Heard about
meditation.
it? Yeah, walking
Okay. No.
meditation, they say. And walking meditation is, you, as you're walking, you start, telling about your toes, how your toes are helping you, or your how your feet is helping you walk, how your, and as you're walking, to be, see, now we have these five sense organs.
Yes.
Yeah, so they connect us to the outside world,
Yes.
right? So all these sense organs which connect us to the outside world, we have to say that we have to, when you're walking, you can see greenery. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you say, you keep telling, I can see these eyes help me to see this beautiful scenery, or help me to see this colorful world outside. I can see the colorful world. I can see beautiful birds. I can see colorful leaves, flowers with these eyes, through these eyes. So I can hear
Hmm.
good sound. That's how. Hello, okay. Bhavna is saying, I heard people saying that. What is she saying? I can't see.
The mind should
The
be
mind will
blank.
be blank.
Yeah.
How is that possible? Mind should see, it's each way. Mindfulness for meditation, or see, that's why people, I think, say if you can't keep your mind blank, most of us can't. Can you keep? I think that is the highest stage of meditation.
Yes.
Yeah, because we are so much into our daily life that we can't keep our mind blank. So I
Yes.
think
Yes.
walking meditation will be really good for us. We can walk around and be mindful, saying that I can see good things through these eyes. I can see beautiful colors of birds, leaves, and fruits, and whatever it is. I think all the sense organs, you can take their names and keep telling, and I have a lot of power or energy. These legs are making me walk. Hands, I can
Hmm.
move. I can swing my hands. I think you have to acknowledge this. That's the only
Yes.
best way you can give self love to your body. Acknowledging, or see, now whenever you do a good thing, and if somebody, if you are in a higher stage, you'll say, no, I don't bother what people say. But
Hmm.
most of them, you want some acknowledgement, right?
Yes.
That is a
And
boost for us when somebody says, wow, you did a good act, right?
yes,
Yeah, yeah,
absolutely. And I just want like to answer Bhavna and also to add your point. So,
yeah,
especially mind cannot be blank, first of all, because mind is monkey mind. Like people say that we are born from monkeys, we were evolved from monkeys, and the mind is still monkey mind. And that's what even in Sanskrit also the mind is called. I forgot the name, but the name synonym is monkey.
okay,
The name itself is monkeys. That means the mind itself is a monkey mind. To stop it, we usually call it a blank. But when we are meditating, because I have been practicing mindfulness a good amount of time, that's why I think I can answer this. So mindfulness meditation is something like you don't keep your mind empty, you keep your mind contentful about only one specific thing. Like people
yes,
call, oh, that is to a specific thing, or people call it be conscious about your breathing, inhales and exhales.
yeah,
Or
yeah, yeah,
sometimes people will say, as you said, this is a very new thing, but I think I can do it every single day when I am walking. I can do
yeah,
walking meditation. I
yeah.
can do
I can
sleeping
talk, I
meditation.
can walk, I can sleep, I can
Yes.
stand.
I
Yeah,
can eat
we have to.
meditate.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
yeah. I think, Omkara, the other day you had told up nice sentences how the law of attraction works, and how for any, how to make, suppose any situation, suppose if it is not your in favor of you, how you
Hmm.
can tell it, like, make it to yours. I think you should keep telling that about it. So people would be definitely benefited.
Your
Like,
mic.
suppose. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now can you hear? Hi, Preeti. Hi,
Hey, hi,
Preeti.
Priti.
Yeah. So I think I would want you to tell about that, the sentences that, suppose if at all mind. Yeah, Preeti is saying something. Mindfulness during meditation means your mind fully concerned on one thing, concentrated on one thing. Yeah.
Raja Rani. It's saying
Roja
Roja, sorry,
Rani.
Roja Rani. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You
She
were
is
asking
saying that.
something, Prashanti?
Yeah, I was telling is, suppose now see, the other day when I attended your what were
Law of
this
attraction.
live, yeah. So you had told, like, any act that goes on, you have to tell it in favor of you. Like, suppose
Yes.
if it is, make it to your own that sentence.
Yes.
Like, now suppose if it's so hot also, I do this, I'm telling you, is it's so hot also, I say, like, to this, I cook, when I cook I sweat and all that. Sorry, then I say this act of mine is getting I'm involved in an act which is giving, going to give which is giving strength to me and to my whole family, health to my family.
Yes.
So that way it is like I made it my own, and now even if I sweat, I feel, no, I'm giving health to my family, and it is for my good, and so I'm fine. I think that is
Right.
how each and act, whatever we do, like when we are
Hmm.
walking, you said this walk is giving me strength and making me strong and
Yes.
helping me to be more mobile,
Yes.
right? That is
Yeah.
how we should start talking about our actions. and moving ahead in life.
Sure. So, if you want, I just, as you were saying, I'm actually preparing a book. I'm in the process of writing a book of 12 techniques of attracting abundance into your life using law of attraction. And I just want to
Yeah.
read out two lines that you asked. Like you asked something, so
Bhavna,
I
you
just
can
want to
hear
give
me
a.
now? 1 minute.
Prashanti is
You can
sounding
hear
low
me,
again.
Bhavna?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. I think she can hear. Like there is a delay in the
You can
comments,
hear?
so
You
maybe
can
it's.
hear?
I can hear it properly now.
Okay, okay. Now tell.
Yes. So, one beautiful line that came to my mind when I was writing this is universe is like a waiter in paradise who
Yeah,
only understands the menu items.
yeah,
That means to say, if you say, I don't want idli, the guy
yeah.
only will understand idli. He will not understand, I don't want, I want. He will go and take that idli and bring it to you.
Okay.
So universe is something like that. So don't speak that you don't want, only speak that you want. For example, as you said,
Ah,
if they are in
okay.
under pain, like I would correlate everything that you have said so that it is easy for the audience to understand. The first
Okay,
point that
okay.
you said is try to love yourself and
Yeah.
like address that pain and answer that pain and understand that pain and get connected to it. Don't keep it aside.
Yes. You should acknowledge it and work on it.
Yes, and at the
Yeah,
same time
very true.
love yourself, hug
Hi,
yourself. You said
Sarvari.
that's a
Yeah,
beautiful
yeah.
one.
Yes, love yourself.
So the same thing that I want to say here is if you are under pain, rather than saying it is painful, it is hurting, you say that it is giving me power to hold that pain. It is giving me power to handle that pain. It is giving me a proof that I'm still alive. So these are the things that you can say to yourself, and law of attraction works towards it. At the same time, you recently like just before this the before I said this point, you said one more beautiful point that address something. For example, when you're cooking, if it is sweating and you are so much of under so much of pressure, pain, and that too in the summer, cooking is hell because I'm already doing it. So when you are doing that stuff, rather
Yeah,
than saying that I am under pressure, I am under stress, tell
yeah.
yourself that I love this work and
Yes.
really love it.
Yeah, yeah. Very true.
And there is a
Yeah,
real story that happened. I didn't do it research. I didn't actually do it on my own, but there is a thing that I
yeah,
have
yeah.
seen. There is a jar of rice in water, and there is another jar of rice in water again. So both of them are same, and one
Okay,
is labeled as love, one is labeled as hate.
okay,
And a guy started like waking up in the morning and started saying good things to the love jar and bad things
okay.
to the hate jar, and
Yeah,
suddenly, after a week's time, the hate jar
yeah,
rice, the same water, the same rice, the same jars, the hate jar rice became dark, black, and started smelling.
yeah,
Wherein
yeah,
the
yeah.
love jar started to keep the same freshness, same white in color, same water, nothing went wrong. So I don't know whether it is true or wrong, but I have seen it and I think it is true. When you keep on saying the stuff, the energy, I believe in one thing, this whole world is made of energies, and the energy
Yes,
you
yes.
give is the energy you get.
Yes, yes. Very true.
And yeah, with that being said, I think I would not take much time because it's your life, Prashanti. I don't want to
No,
take
no,
any more time.
continue.
Please go on.
No, no, you can carry on. It's so nice the way you were explaining. I think that's nice.
So okay, then I would like to tell one story and then it will be a bridge for you to speak the next topic of yours.
Yeah.
That one story that I heard from a Korean story. This is a Korean story or a Chinese story. I don't really remember it. But the story goes like this. There is a king having four wives,
Yeah,
and he is almost on his deathbed. He's about to leave this life. But there is a
yeah,
priest has come to him and said, like, my dear Lord, I can do a kind of mystical power will not leave this planet alone. I can't control your death, but I can give you something that you can go along with someone that you love the most,
okay,
who want to stay with you. And he called his fourth wife, and he
okay,
asked his fourth wife, my dear wife, you are the one whom I love the most. You are the one whom I have shown to people and felt so proud. You are the one whom I have always been with around. Like wherever I go, whenever I go, I used to keep you next to me and I used to show off you as my beautiful wife. Will you please come to me after life? Will you accommodate me after life?
yeah,
Uh, okay. And then the second part. The third wife is like, and sorry, the fourth wife has come and the king has asked all this, and then he said, can you please accommodate me after life? The fourth wife said, my dear lord, I know that you have did all these and I admit it, but after your death I'm going to remarry someone else.
Yeah.
So he went in so deep repression, and he called his third wife, and the third wife has come to him, and she started speaking before even the king has asked, because she the news has like already gone throughout the kingdom, and the third wife started speaking, said, my dear king, I know after your death you're asking me to accommodate. You have spent all your times with me, you have spent your energies with me, you have spent your happiness with me, like you have treated me well, very well, but unfortunately the maximum that I can do is I can arrange a funeral for you. I can't do anything apart from that.
Okay.
So he's almost sad, he's about to cry, and he called his second wife, and the second wife has come in and he's asking something, and the second wife has again started speaking, and she's in the mood of he even she is little sad, but she started saying, my dear king, I know that you loved me a lot. You have bought all
Yeah.
the perfumes, you have bought all the accessories that I wanted, you have done everything to me, but at the end of the day, the max that I can do is I can come till the burial ground. I can only come till that pit that you will be in. With so much of sad, with so much of disheartenedness, he is
Yeah.
completely broke in terms of emotional level, and he's like crying in the deathbed, and he felt there is nothing that he can be helped with. And then there is a voice from the back saying, I will accommodate you after life. And that's his first
Yeah.
wife. And he never treated that properly, he never treated her with care, he never treated with love. So, and the Korean story ends here and the moral starts here. Every one of us are having these four wives. The first wife is the accessories, the costliest watches, the most beautiful shoes, the amazing
Luxury.
cars,
Yeah.
luxurious cars, everything that we like we have. All these things after we are dead, they will max go and remarry someone. That's what the fourth wife
Yeah.
said.
Yes.
And the
Yes.
third wife is the relatives, the family members, the friends, the circle, all those whom we think we should taking care of. Like,
Yeah.
I should take care of this person's opinion, I should take care of the society's opinion, and we always think about them. But the max that they can do is they can arrange a funeral for us or a feast
Yeah.
after our death.
Yeah.
The second wife, and this the second wife is the maximum that it can do is it can come till the pit that we are buried, that is the body.
Yeah. The body.
And we have given all the perfumes to it, we have given all, but we haven't we haven't actually loved it. We have only given the perfumes, we have only given the haircuts, we have only given that so-called outside stuff that we can give, the materialistic thing that we have given. But what you are seeing is absolutely the first wife, which we never cared of. That
Yeah.
is the soul, that is admitting, that is like admiring the things that we already have. That is a
Yeah.
peace of mind, and that we never took care of. That feels, that is the only thing that comes with us after the life. And that's what you are actually speaking about. Like, admit it, have that love towards the body that you are in. And this is the most powerful thing. And I just want to recollect to everybody who are on the call. We have spoke about three beautiful points. Say which point that you liked in the comment section. First point, love yourself.
Yes.
Love yourself. Second point, and in fact the first point can be said, hug yourself. I hug myself.
Yeah.
That would be the
I
first
hug
point. I love
myself.
that line, in fact.
Yeah.
The second point is, address the pain, do not leave it. Address the pain, do not leave it. Third point that I felt is, treat pain as the power to control it. Speak positive about the pain that you are undergoing. So if you have loved anyone or two or three, give that number in the comment section below. And meanwhile, we will talk more about that stuff. So Prashanti, they will be keep on putting comments. There will be a little delay, so I think we can accommodate that gap with the next topic that you want to speak about. We are
Actually,
almost
you
at
can say,
8:30.
yeah. Yeah, mine, whatever I would I would want to tell for today, I actually have told like.
So I would like to listen from you because you are answering very beautifully, especially when I asked you about this, the biological cycle of women. I love that answer. So I just want to ask you one more simple question. For example, when I am in deep pain, for example, people are hurt. Like, let me take a real example. Men and women are undergoing breakups these days, love breakups or relationship breakups or divorces, and the result is ending up in hurting themselves rather than loving them. They started hurting themselves, they started irritating themselves, they started to hurt themselves. Do you have anything to say for those people? Like, what is that they can do?
See, I don't know what. See, if I say if a relationship you're not happy about and you're not, I don't think you should continue in that relationship because you will be ending up hurting each other.
Yes,
And if you can work, try it out. But if you feel that no, you cannot work in it and you cannot carry on with it, then I don't think you should be in that relationship because you see, ultimately you're in that life not to please somebody or carry on with something which you don't want.
yes, amazing, yes,
You don't want to do some things which whole life you'll think, okay, I'll compromise and I'll do or something. If you feel you're happy doing it, well and good. But if you feel no, I'm compromising and I want to do certain things in my life, I want to enjoy certain things in my life, and my partner, or I'm not able to enjoy with my partner, I can't connect with my partner, I can't gel with the partner, then I don't think you should continue. And you should have to, somewhere you should understand that you can't just keep your relationship as a burden.
yes,
you
true,
should be you should be free. You should, when you're loving someone or you're accepting someone, you should be free in your thoughts, you should be freely accepting
yes,
it. That
yes,
relationship you can live because you'll do it unconditionally there.
true,
And otherwise, if I think, if at all you're in a relationship where you're not so satisfied, you're feeling, then you're compromising. You're compromising. If you feel you may at there could be a time where you would bring up those topics, and then again you will be
so
fighting on those topics.
Rojanani is saying that compromise if you love. So do you have anything to
If
say
you
that?
love, that's what, if you cannot if you love that person, you will take everything, you will tell, it is, I love to do it, so I'm doing it. But next time when suppose you say, I like traveling, or if my spouse doesn't like traveling, and then I say, okay, fine, he doesn't like, so I stop my traveling. So next time I should not tell that, I stopped, and even though I like it, I can't.
Yes,
You can't grumble on that. You have told it in a way that you love it. That's why you have given it, no, because you love the person. But if you keep on
absolutely.
telling, because of him I had to leave it, because of him I had to leave it, then I don't think you're doing anything.
True, very true. Because recently I have studied a research or document, and it says because you open yourself completely to your spouse. Like, I was searching what is the major reason of these many divorce cases, and I was surprisingly, shockingly, I realized that when you open up yourself completely to your spouse, there is nothing interesting about you to know more, and people started feeling bored of that relationship.
Yeah.
And that's where what you said is absolutely true. If I keep on giving up everything that I love for my spouse, like at the end of the day, I miss myself. That's what, like at the end of the day, if I keep on compromising, but at not at the cost of like saying that because of you I did this, because of you I did this. I shouldn't say that. End of the
Yes.
day, I should admit that person. I should accept that person. Like, I feel this emotion when you. I felt this. If I am in love with my spouse, I should treat her like a fluid, and I should behave like a sponge, that I absorb her completely into me, rather than saying that you are still there, I am still here, because of you I did this, because of you. There is nothing like that. If we are loving that person to the core, we should absorb that person emotionally, physically, psychologically, and everything we should absorb that person, rather than like hugging yourself with your knees bent. If you can actually understand what Prashanti is saying, my dear friends, you can love anybody in this world. like knees to your chest, hugging yourself. What an amazing expression, Prashanti. I cannot like compare this with any other statement that I have ever heard of. Like amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that is, you keep doing it every time and acknowledging your whole. I one more part. What I felt is, most of the people don't know where our, where our each organ is situated in our body. I feel
Yes. Yes, yes,
we don't know our own anatomy,
yes.
right? If you ask some people where is your kidney, also they may not know
Yeah, I still have a
where
confusion
it
with
is.
kidney and liver.
So it's like that. We should know our anatomy, and then we should understand that if you know your anatomy and it's working, there is nothing more there. Then just keep telling that it is working to that. You know your legs are working. What if you want to talk about your body? You just have to know your legs are for walking, to make you move forward, to make you
Yes,
keep you mobile. That is enough. You know that now. So then you tell in your sentence that I have strong legs. It makes me move further. It keeps me mobile. If
yes.
you have
Simple.
if you have tough time in making sentences, these are very simple. What does your
Yes,
liver do? What does your lungs do? Suppose if you are breathing, you tell I'm breathing the fresh air. The air is entering deep down through my pipe, through my air pipe, and my lungs are, it is going into my lungs, and I can feel my lungs expanding, taking the fresh air in. All you can just talk. You can keep talking about yourself.
yes,
Each and every act, you can just keep, self talk. That is called self talk,
yes,
I feel. So keep on talking. The best thing is you talk to yourself. I
yes.
feel my best friend is me only.
Wonderful. I actually use that and I coach my friends, my clients also with the same thing. The best person in this whole world to know your story, to teach you, to coach you, to guide you, to treat you as yourself.
Yes. And I'll tell you one more thing, Omkara. What I do is, I go out in the balcony. That's the best, and I love that place. I
Okay.
always love that place, standing in the balcony. And if you can get, just open your arms and close your
Hmm.
eyes. As you said that you have to keep telling your things, same thing I do is I close my eyes, I open my arms, and I talk about myself. I am wonderful, I am incredible, I am, most
Got it.
beautiful lady for myself.
Wonderful.
You have to talk, about yourself,
Yes,
and that
yes.
gives lot of energy to you. Once you do that, every hour I go to my balcony, every hour I
Wow.
go, yeah, I get pulled there. I don't know.
Wonderful.
I just get pulled, and I keep going there, and I start telling myself that I am powerful, I am incredible. I look up in the sky, and I just close my eyes. And if I don't get to close, I even at least I tell this: I am powerful, I am incredible, I'm so loving, I'm so good, I'm so this, I'm so that, and I keep telling myself I'm so, I can do this. I think the best way to acknowledge about you is I can walk, I can talk, I can, that I can tell stories, I can love people, I can appreciate people. You can tell yourself is you can. These are all good qualities of you.
Yes. Your
So you
balcony
can
is
keep
so
on.
fortunate to have a beautiful, powerful, and wonderful woman to come every hour there.
Yeah, I would suggest this to everybody. Wherever is your best
Yes.
place, at least in the open area, in the window, maybe at the window, maybe near the in the balcony, wherever it is possible, stand there, look up into the sky, and say all what you want to tell about yourself each
Wow.
time. And when you're walking, if you go for walks, you tell I am powerful. Like our mentor tells that, right?
Yes.
Afin Khan, he says, you have to tell, I am powerful, I am incredible. Then it goes into our
Yes.
subconscious mind and we become that. And I think
Yes.
that's the best thing that he has, one of the best things he has, taught us. So each time you put a step, you tell something good about yourself.
Yes. So
And
we
it
are
is
already once, Prashanti. Like
yeah.
people, we never realize that it's already 1 hour. Like your knowledge sharing is so amazing that I never realized that we already crossed 8:40.
Oh, thank you so much,
Yes.
Omkara. But I really thank all those people
Pleasure.
who come down live and to watch us. And this is really for me a laddu footing experience because I have not done this before. Something very new. Actually, I did one live, and I did not do this interactive way. So this is
Okay.
something very new for this is the first time I did. So I wish I can keep doing more and more, and you can keep
Yes, I
guiding
will
me.
be waiting.
Yeah,
Definitely, definitely. If you need
yeah,
any support, just do let me know. And
yeah.
like, I just want to
So I
announce one more thing. I would just close it off, and then you can.
yeah.
I just want to announce, and I will close it off, and it's all yours.
Yeah, even I'll have to close. Yeah, no, I would like to say something just before going. Whoever is
Sure,
watching
sure.
as of now, whoever is watching as of now, I would say that take out time for yourself. You are your best friend. Give attention to your feelings, the whatever your body says. Pay attention to it and acknowledge it, and take time, and at the act that I said, hug yourself, please do it and see the power that you get. The power that you get by hugging yourself, because whenever you hug yourself, or when you hug a person and you feel so much of faith in that person, you love that person, you feel like being there, you feel like sharing yourself there, you feel that's the best place in the world. So this is the same thing. This is a, you're staying in this house, that is your body. That's the best place in the world. Let it be anything, sun, rain, anything, but it's with you. So you're happy over there, you're secured over there. So hold yourself, give the best, talk the best about it, and stand in the balcony and talk about your own strengths, that what you can do. You keep on telling, I can do this, I can do that, I can do that, and I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and acknowledge it and be happy. I think the happy body,
Wonderful.
happy mind is very important for us to take us
Yes.
long in life.
True. Agreed.
Yeah,
So tomorrow also we are going live. So myself,
wow.
Omkara Chizrala, for anybody who don't know, if you or audience or friends. Myself, Omkara Chitrala. You can find me on this live in the comment section. You can find me. Please do come to my profile every Saturday and Sunday at 7:30 p.m. You will find one or the other beautiful, amazing speakers like Prashanti today. And tomorrow also, I am going to have amazing person who is a best-selling author, Shanvaz. And the poster is ready, and I'm going to post it soon. So please stay tuned. And thank you so much, Prashanti, for within just a day's notice. No, I think we have worked on this for a week, and with just 1 day's notice we have rushed into
Yeah,
stuff and we did everything in simple.
yeah,
And I just want to recollect this whole live how it started. The first there is a technical issue, and then there is a power cut, and then still we have run through the Facebook live for 1 hour. And I would love to thank you so much for consistently standing
yeah.
very strongly, that I cannot imagine any other woman can strong, like stand very firmly that nothing is going right way, nothing is going right way. You haven't said that at least one single time, and you stood strong and amazing. Thank you so much for that energy and strength that you have.
I think you have complimented it. Thank you very much. You two have done so much to me. Yeah, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
What's it? Yeah, yeah, Omkara. And thanks to all the people who have come and watched it. Lot of
Thank you
strength
so
from you
much.
all. Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, then see you guys in the next live. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.